ITE 101 Management Information Systems for Spring 2013. My name is Francis J. Monaco. Please call me Professor Monaco or Frank. I'd like to introduce you to this course. We're about a week into it, and just go over some of the hints that might help you get through the remaining seven plus weeks. First of all, this is the introductory screen that you get after you log on to Blackboard, and the course home shows you the announcements that are current and also the what's been changed since the last time you've logged on. I'd like to go into my announcements. This is an important area that I use a little bit differently from probably some of the other instructors. My announcements are quite thorough, and they go back in time from the from week 1 all the way to week 8. So we started the class on the 22nd, and the first week will be over with on the 28th. And this is how the weeks progress. These are the subjects, okay? And basically, if you go back, you can see that the first announcement I numbered #0.1, which means that it was the 0 week before the class starts, the first announcement, and it was posted on Wednesday, January 9th. Class starts in 13 days. So I always use that same kind of nomenclature there, number, where the first number is the week, the second number is the announcement for that week. And then I always tell you what date the announcement is. So you're going to be spending a lot of time in the course content area. We'll go over that in a second. But it shows the grade breakdown, discussions, participation, quizzes, and then weekly reflection. It tells you what the total breakdown is for the semester, including the midterm and the final exam, which are also subjective quizzes, or objective quizzes, I'm sorry. These announcements are important because I give you little hints on how to get you through the course material, also how to contact me if you need something. And basically, I want to stress that if you don't hear from me in a certain period of time, 24 hours is the limit I've set on myself. Assume something bad happened to me, and you contact your advisor. These are some of the one of the things that is going to be particular to this particular section is that we are a test bed for a plug-in to Blackboard called Axiom. And basically this explains what Axiom is. It's basically an identification system to try to make sure that the users of our systems are the users of our systems and not somebody else. So take a look at this information here. It shouldn't impact you at all. It's just a test for this semester, but it may end up going live in the future. Basically, the way the weeks will run is shown out in the course content. So if you go into week 1 business, you won't see the rest of the weeks. They don't become available until the Sunday night, early Monday morning. But basically, there's an overview, talks about what the week is about, and then it tells you what to do in detail. There's always going to be reading the lecture material, reading the assigned chapter in the book. There's only one chapter. Doing the discussion, which are posting 2 posts to your classmates, 2 posts, original posts to answer the 2 questions that I pose each week, and then 4 responses, which are called participation, which are due on Sunday. The quiz is you can have until the end of the week to take care of the quiz. It's multiple choice. Do the best you can on it. You get multiple chances of it, so there's no excuse for really getting a bad grade on a quiz. And then a weekly reflection where it explains in the course policies. I want you to tell me about your experiences throughout the week, what you learned, what you didn't learn, that kind of thing. And basically, the lecture itself, there's a set of PowerPoint slides that go with each week. There's the discussion, a discussion board. The discussion and discussion board are part of the same participation grade and the discussion grade that I talked about before, and the personal reflection. So each week is structured the same way as far as content goes, except for week 4 and week 8 where you have an extra exam, the midterm exam and the final exam. Course content, that's what we just discussed about, the discussion board and course documents. In the course documents area, I placed 3 different documents here. One of them is a frequently asked question about the Axiom test that I talked about. Then there's a glossary in both Excel form and also PDF. Some of the terms that we use throughout the semester. There's also a good glossary in your textbook, which, by the way, is an excellent textbook. Course policies, what your expectations are, what my expectations are for you, and also some tools that you may have to use. Webleyography, some different places where you can get additional help if you need it. And then we talk about the plagiarism policy, and then the grade center where you get your grades. And basically, I don't have access to the grades the same way you do. I'm the one that gives the grades out. I'll be grading every Monday, usually Monday and Tuesday. I should be completing your grades, and you will be able to find out how you did for the previous week. Everybody should be striving to get at least a B in this course, okay? Some of you will get A's, some of you will get C's, depending on how much you participate and how well you read and understand the material. We're going to learn from each other in this course. So there's a lot of expertise I've seen already rostered in the course, and so when the classmates respond, a lot of fun with the asynchronous courses is being able to learn from your fellow students and from me and from the text. My background is listed if you want to see me. I'm listed under faculty up here, faculty information, and you can take a look at my short bio. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me an email. I'm online usually most of the time. I check my email 2 or 3 times a day at least, so don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you and good luck in the course.